This is the tutorial 5. So far, you have learned how to send emails and even generate messages using AI. In this video, we will build a fully automated good morning email using n8n and Gmail. This workflow will automatically send a good morning message without any manual effort. You will learn how automation runs on its own and how scheduling works in real life. This is a simple but very practical use case you can apply every day. Okay, once again, search for n8n in the browser. Log into your n8n account. Click Create Workflow. Rename your workflow to Hello Message. Add a schedule trigger node in the workflow. Set the trigger time, for example 9 a.m. Click on Execute Workflow on the trigger node. Add a new node and search for Gmail. In Gmail, select the Send a Message action. Enter the receiver's email address in the field. Set the subject to Hello World. Open a new tab and go to ChatGPT. Type a prompt asking for a beautiful HTML email template for a morning greeting. Click on Copy Code on the HTML snippet generated by ChatGPT. Switch back to the n8n tab in the Gmail node. Settings. Change email type to HTML. Paste the copied HTML code into the message field. After this, click on Execute step. Click Save in the top right corner. Now, open your Gmail and verify the good morning HTML email was received to you or not. Return to n8n to view the successful execution. Now, toggle the workflow switch from inactive to active. Click on Got it on the activation confirmation. Now, click Execute Workflow one last time to confirm stability of automation. In the next video, we will explore more smart and useful workflows. This is PcomLap. Enjoy and learn, and keep growing with tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.